Each person at SpaceX is encouraged to innovate. Not just our designers, our R&D department. Everyone's encouraged to innovate and create something new and different.
When people ask you where you work and you get to say you work for SpaceX, it's awesome. Everyone's really excited to hear about what you do, and it makes you more excited. Everyone's really proud.
It's Falcon Heavy, go for launch.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
If you're a hands-on engineer and you like to see your products getting built and actually getting integrated onto vehicles, manufacturing engineering is a frontline engineer who works really closely with the actual product and gets to see the fruits of their labor on a day-to-day basis.
Pretty much every day I come to work and I help build rocket engines. Who gets to say that? I work in 4 different areas, and the technicians are emailing me or telling me like suggestions or, this process sucks, can you help me with it? Here, if you see a problem, you can fix it immediately rather than waiting for 4 months before we can try to even look into something new. Within a week, I can make changes on things. It's awesome.
Manufacturing engineers are the great communicators of SpaceX. We bridge the gap between vehicle engineering and the production floor, translating the documents, bill of design into actionable subassemblies and vehicles that are being built at all times. You kind of have to be a Green Beret to be a manufacturing engineer at SpaceX.
For an ME, the first thing that we try to do is we try to bring the quality up, bring the cost down, and bring the lead time down. So those are the 3 main components that we work to.
The goal is lighter, faster, better, stronger. The projects change rapidly. You have to be able to adapt and quickly.
The exciting parts of SpaceX are really about being on the front line of technology and design. It's never a dull moment around here. We get to learn something every day.
My favorite and most memorable project at SpaceX is Falcon Heavy. We built the nose cones for the first time that were launched on Falcon Heavy. On launch day, I was standing in front of Mission Control, counting down and cheering, anxious, nervous, like so many of my colleagues, and then watching those side boosters come down side by side as by far my best day at SpaceX.
I'm super excited to take all of the best practices from Falcon 9 into the Mars architecture. There's a lot of lessons learned over the last couple of years that have turned this rocket into a super high quality vehicle, and it's something that will translate perfectly into that Mars architecture.
A lot of our processes here we invent, so you can source and look at the latest cutting technology. And moving out to LA was awesome. I live in the best area. We bike and walk everywhere. You meet people immediately and make friends immediately. My job is awesome. SpaceX is the coolest company to work for.
I absolutely want to go to space. I don't think there's anyone at SpaceX that wouldn't want to. I mean, that's the dream here. We definitely want to get to Mars, and when we do, I want to be the first one.